I'm Aletha with WTI, and these are my very awesome solar powered lights by Aootek. They come 4 in a pack, so 1, 2, I have some that I already started to hang. I have another one, so it's 4 in a pack. So you get 4 so you can place them around your yard or your front or your steps so that it illuminates so well. I want to show you how bright they are. So this is how bright it gets. When it's in the dark, it comes on so bright. It's lit on 3 sides. It has these really nice already drilled holes so I can mount it wherever I want. That's the beauty of it. And I love the fact that it gives me 3 settings: motion, one that comes on at night, and one that stays on. I really love these because of the fact that they're so big. These are one of the biggest motion lights I've ever had, and they work perfectly. As you can see, they are very, very bright. I love that fact about these Aootek solar motion light, or just a light that could come on in your yard and stay on all night on a dim, and then it'll brighten up if it detects any motion. So these are awesome. I love them. I highly recommend them, and that is just my point of view.